Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta Gupta, your Reiki Grandmaster, and I'm going to bring you this session on healing through your hands, the touch therapy. You know, I've been teaching for Reiki more than 25 years, and people want to know what is touch therapy, what is Reiki, what is the difference. So, there are 7 energy points in our body, but I'm going to talk about the 4 main energy points in our body. The crown chakra. This is the main chakra where you will be receiving this invisible divine energy. It enters through your crown after the attunement process. Attunement process is tuning into the energy. So the attunement process will connect you to the energy. The energy will flow in this chakra, come to the third eye chakra, come to the throat chakra and the heart chakra. From your heart chakra, it flows to both your hands. So the hands have power to heal. There are minor chakras in the palms, and this invisible energy, you can say, is sort of electric light. It will flow through your hands, and out of your hands, it flows into that part of the body that is required to heal. How does Reiki flow? Reiki flows through your intentions. Energy follows thought. So if you have the thought in your mind that I gonna heal my person, this person, particular person, so energy will start flowing from your crown chakra, coming to your heart chakra, and through your hands it starts flowing to the desired part of the body or the desired goal. This is called touch therapy. Touch is a very important part. The moment a child is born, he understands the world through touch. The mother will hold the child, so the child will see, perceive the world through touch. And touch is also one of the important senses that we use to perceive things in life. So every child is aware of the touch. And when somebody with a positive mind touches, who's a Reiki channel, the energy starts flowing into that part of the body. This energy starts eliminating all the toxins from the body. So the touch therapy helps in healing that particular part of the body. So when you touch a particular person's ailing part or diseased part, you keep your hands on that part of the body. For example, I want to heal my knees. So I'm going, after attunement, I'm going to touch both my knees with both my hands. So like I have some knee pain. So I'm putting my both the hands on my knee, and I shall be closing my eyes. And why do I close my eyes? Because with eyes closed, the energy flow is much better. When your eyes are open, the energy flow is outwards. When the eyes are closed, the energy flow is inwards. You're conserving energy. The energy will start flowing to the knees, and it will remove the pain. You can feel it in the form of warmth. This is called touch healing. Otherwise, also, a mother, when she touches her child, sometimes the children come and they're hurt, and the mother puts, don't worry, this is okay, you'll be fine in a moment. And the child feels fine, active, healthy, and positive. So, the touch therapy actually makes you feel good, because touch is the ultimate thing. If you're touching somebody with love, love and touch together can heal anything. Anything is possible by Reiki healing through your hands. You can cure all kind of diseases with Reiki. You can also do distant healing. We'll be talking about distant healing in another video. But in this video, I would like to focus on touch therapy. Generally, as we grow older, we go distant from our parents. Our mother doesn't touch us. But the child inside you always wants to be loved, wants to be touched. So when a therapist is touching the person with love and kindness and gratitude, the patient feels very, very loved. The energy flow is very beautiful between the patient and the therapist. So when you are putting your hands on the patient's body, he starts feeling that loving touch of the mother, because the brain has all the memories of mother's touch, loving touch. So it connects and it wants to feel that warmth. And the patient, the person starts getting healed, the person starts getting empowered. So touch therapy is the best therapy. So dear friends, those of you who have not learned Reiki, just call me on my number 9811142249 as soon as possible and learn this touch therapy, which we call Reiki, the universal life force. So the universe life force flowing through our hands can heal anything and everything. Anything is possible through touch therapy. Please remember that. You can heal physical ailments, you can heal emotional issues, you can heal depression, you can heal career issues, you can heal money issues. Anything and everything is possible. Thank you and see you next time in next video. Bye bye.